name is Yoka. Hello everyone, hello, hi, hello. Okay, and here are some friendly reminders. This is a water ride, so you may get wet. Please take care of your electronic device, such as your smartphone and your camera. And also please put off your hands, elbows, and also your leg or inside my boat. Otherwise, our crocodile will find you too, so please don't put it outside. So, remain seated and don't change your seat again. Otherwise, I'll stop my boat until you have a seat first. Okay, now we are going to pass in front of Tai Tree House. And you may see that the people just in the dark keep watching us, right? And after I count 3, 2, 1, and let's say goodbye to them. 3, 2, 1. Bye bye! Bye bye! Bye bye! Okay, don't forget to exercise also. 3, 2, 1. Bye bye! Bye bye! We won't see them again. Bye! Okay, now let's start our journey. Our river has 4,000 miles away, so okay, I find a shortcut so we can finish it as soon as possible, very fast. And our first station is going to meet our mother elephant and our baby elephant first. And our mother elephant trying to teach our baby how to control his trunk right now. Wow, you see that this is cute elephant, right? But there's still more practicing how to use their trunk. Okay, oh wow, don't forget to he's a brother elephant. And if you're going to take a shower, just take a few hours. So you see that, wow, so maybe close to brother, right? Okay, don't forget in our front, still one more in there. And here's the father elephant. Oh wow, he's wearing the paint of water with his nose. But unfortunately, our father elephant is a naughty elephant. And it seems like they're trying to do it again also. In 3, 2, 1. So guys, get down. Oh no! Wow! Yeah, okay, just kidding. Just kidding. Okay, guys. Okay, otherwise I will get fully wet, right? Okay, let's move on. Alright, now we are entering to the old temples. And lots of dangerous animals just waiting for you. Oh, you see that both sides? Wow, it's a giant spider. Don't let that bite you. I'm sure that you will become a Spider-Man, so please don't do that. And now you can take a look at the front view of the god of the elephant just in there. And the guardian just next to him is protecting him and getting chorus. Oh, still one more in there. Yeah, and you can take some photos with him without the flashlight, please, because they hit the flashlight very hard. Alright. After the kangaroo rest, we are entering to the crocodile pool right now. And our crocodile prefer to take a rest and sleep in there because they can enjoy the best view of you guys, such as handsome guys and beautiful girls. So they're so happy to go with them already. But also be careful to make your hand outside, otherwise they may bite you too. Okay, now, oh wow, this is some treasures of titans and those of them are the gorillas. And we are entering to the bases of gorillas and they try to their flight movement too. As in their dresses and suits too. Oh wow. So we just want to be otherwise okay, now someone just showed their name right now, so you see that we're entering to the house, and lots of animals just waiting for you, and you see like a zebra, giraffe, and also the elephant. And you can take a look at this elephant, and this elephant is second brother, and take an elephant in there. And also, wow, don't forget it. Here's the first one here, the African elephant in there. Yeah, and he is his testament too. Yeah, I just shout that don't touch my wife, so let's move on, otherwise he'll get very bad too. Okay, now, oh, you see that, wow, so basically